Welcome to Clips Uncut, my friends. Today I want to just review a granola bar which is from Nature Valley, Chewy fruit and nut, and it's a box of 48 bars. I got this from Costco. So I wanted to unbox this as well as review this. I have had this before, and I thought, like, this time around, why not unbox this and do a slight review. So it's a trail mix. Basically, it's got 8 grams of whole grain per serving. It's got per bar, it's got 150 calories, which is very important for all you calorie conscious beautiful people. It's got 0.5 grams of saturated fat, which and then 65 milligrams of sodium, 8 grams of total sugar. It's got total fat, which is 4.5 grams, saturated fat is 0.5 grams, trans fat is 0 grams, cholesterol is 0 milligrams, sodium is 65 milligrams, total carbohydrates 25 grams, dietary fiber 2 grams, total sugars is 8 grams, includes 6 grams of added sugars, and protein, which is 3 grams. It's got a little bit of vitamin D, it's got no vitamin D, no calcium, iron, which is 0.6 mg, and potassium is 0 milligrams. And let's talk about the ingredients. So it's got whole grain oats, it's got corn syrup, sugar, almonds, cranberries, roasted peanuts, raisins, rice flour, vegetable glycerin, canola oil, fructose, cornstarch, soy lecithin, salt, barley malt extract, baking soda, natural flavors, vitamin E, and which is mixed with tocopherols added to retain freshness, and then contains almonds, peanuts, and soy ingredients. So if you have any other all these allergies from almonds or peanuts or soy or any of these other ingredients, then please do not stay away from this and consult your doctor. I am not affiliated with Nature Valley or with Costco or anybody. I'm just a consumer, and I just wanted to review and do the unboxing. Just wanted to put it out there. Anyways, and it contains bioengineered food ingredients, and is distributed by General Mills Sales Incorporation, which is based out of Minneapolis in Minnesota, USA. So let's quickly do the unboxing of this amazing looking trail mix bar. It's got 48 bars. Oh, very important thing is, so I got this in November December time frame, and I just wanted to check the expiration date, which is 18 June 2021, right there. So it is best if used by that date. So if you are by yourself, you may want to keep that in mind, that your expiration date for this particular product is going to be for 6 to 7 months time frame, average, maybe 8 months. I don't know. I have not checked the manufacturing date, but I'm assuming 6 to 7 months. So, and if you are a family of 2 or 3 people or whatever, then you can finish this easily. But anyway, so let's do the unboxing of this amazing box. I was waiting for this any which ways. So okay, nice packaging. All right. Wow, it looks like a painting, sort of like a, anyway. So this is how the bar looks like. Nature Valley Trail Mix Chewy Granola Bar, fruit and nut, almonds, raisins, peanuts, and cranberries. 4 main ingredients, again, almonds, raisins, peanuts, and cranberries. Let's open this and try it. Why not? 150 calories per bar. Perfect snack after lunch, evening, night, whenever. Okay. How does this? Okay, it's a little. Okay, perfect. And so it looks like that's the small little bite. I think this can just go in like 2 bites, maybe 3. So yeah, so you can see the oats, you can see the cranberries over there, probably the almonds, and the peanuts, and the shiny part is the fructose, sugary, whatever. Okay, let's have this and see how does it taste. It's got that sourness slightly because of the.
I have a reminder for that.
Okay, Google. Shh. Anyway, see, it's got a slight little sourness of the cranberry. It's got that mild, bland flavor of oats. There are oats, right? Is there any oats or no? There is oats. Hello? Yes, there is oats. Anyway, so of course you feel the almonds. There's a crunch, and you can taste a little bit of sugar. It's not overwhelming. It's not very sugary. It's not sweet. So it's not like you're gonna have this and have a toothache or something. Because I sometimes do have sensitive teeth. So yeah, it's not overwhelming. It's not pungent. Any taste is not over the top. And oh yeah, this is perfect. In fact, you can of course taste the peanuts also. Anybody has any allergies, peanuts, soy, all of that, almonds, stay away, not for you. So yeah, these are perfect. I mean, I can have this like maybe 2, 3, 4 anytime. Just have it anytime. It says it's chewy, sorry, but it's not as chewy. I mean, it's not sticking between my two, whatever. I'm not having a tough time chewing it. Yeah, slightly chewy, of course it's supposed to be, because that's how it's going to hold everything together. Perfect. Also, the price, I think when I got this without coupon or something from Costco, this was for like $15 on and off. You can check it online, or you can go to the store nearest Costco and give it a try. So, and it's got 48 bars. $15, 48 bars. That's less than 50 cents or plus tax or whatever. Okay, let's say 50 cents. It's less than 50 cents. But anyways, what I'm saying is, when you go to those vending machines in your offices, when we used to go, when things were all right. But anyways, so yeah, when you go to all these vending machines, they have sometimes $1 or $1.10 or generous, they might just give you for free. Anyways, so yeah, on those, in those vending machines, it's more than $1. Here you're getting 48 bars for $15, which is less than 50 cents. Perfect. I think it's a value. It's a value bar, and I can't stop having this. It's so good. Fruit and nut, trail mix, trail bar, trail whatever, trail it. Have it. Nice healthy snack. Be healthy, get your immune system up, eat healthy, make healthy choices. 2021, don't let your guard down. Oh, please put some comments in the video. Good comments, bad comments, put whatever. Give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down. Let me know. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.